Hello, children. When you speak to somebody who is not sure, who's not confident, who doesn't know what to do, who is wondering, who's lost, cast a spell, cast a magic spell, and let her or him believe that she can do it, he can do it. Yeah. You can overcome anything. That's a kind of spell you gotta cast, right? If everybody does it to each other, the whole world is more confident and you're not lost. You know where you're going, you know the directions. And people will be nice to each other. And that's how the piece of world will be built one by one, brick by brick, piece by piece. Yeah?